Hi, this is Elisa from WTI. Are you not eating bread because you're doing a keto diet, you're diabetic, or you have other digestive issues? Stop doing that because I just found the right bread for you. And it's this brand, Yes Foods. This is a delicious bread. I want you to see it from close up. Not only is it soy-free, wheat-free, but it's also diabetic friendly. And literally, it's all natural. And when you read all natural in other products, you cannot really believe that. But in this one, you can. Since I'm going to show you the ingredients briefly. Almond flour, organic coconut flour, psyllium husk, organic chia seed, yeast, Himalayan pink salt, organic stevia, and water. That's all it has. This is delicious. I love using it just plain toasted, but I love my peanut butter, so I gotta throw some peanut butter in there every now and then. And it's so good. I highly recommend this bread. I want you to see right here before me. I have 2 pieces of toast. I'm gonna have the one without nothing. And it tastes like bread. It's so yummy. Literally, you don't need anything. No butter, no nothing. But I'm a peanut butter lover. So, I'm gonna buy this one now. Delicious. You should give it a try. There's nothing like this bread. And that is my point of view.